Hey everyone, Meckler here. I'm over at 13032 Date Palm in Elgin, Texas. I want to show you guys this cute little home. Nice little neighborhood here in Elgin. Let's go inside, I'll show you around. This is a 4-bedroom home. Nice floor plan. So as soon as you walk in, you've got your living room. So a really spacious living room. Kitchen over here. Plenty of space for your breakfast dining table right there. Your pantry right here. Got your backyard with a little patio. Come out here with your friends, your 4-leg companions. Play fetch. A little barbecue grill and cook some steaks and burgers and dogs. And I'm gonna go ahead and start in the master bedroom, which is over here in the back of the home, which is nice. Plenty of closet space there. Good size master. Can definitely put a king size bed in here. Master bathroom in here. Washer and dryer connections in here, which is nice to have that right next to your master. Makes it easy to transport your laundry. Bedroom number 2, right here. Your guest bathroom in here. Coat closet right here. And linen closet right there. Bedroom number 3 in here. And bedroom number 4 in here, which I would probably use one of these 2 front bedrooms as your home office. And last but not least, you do have your own garage. So there you have it. I will go ahead and leave you guys with a shot of the living room